Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, the place where we help you go from understanding English perfectly to speaking it confidently without fear. I'm your excited guide today.
Woohoo! Hello, Jany! Hello to all our amazing listeners who understand English very well, but feel nervous or confused the moment it's time to speak. It's Sam here, full of energy. Hi, Jany. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Sam. I'm super excited and full of confidence today. And you? Ready to help everyone overcome that I know what to say in my head, but when I open my mouth, everything freezes feeling?
Exactly, Jany. That's our big focus today. Many people understand English movies, songs, podcasts, but when they have to speak, especially in real situations like travel, they get nervous and think, what should I say now? Was it be correct? Today, we will fix that.
Yes, Sam. Our topic is travel English, real conversations you need when you travel, at the ticket counter, with flight crew, at the hotel, ordering food, taking a taxi, asking directions, and more. We will go slow, explain everything clearly, repeat key phrases many times, and teach you the shadowing technique to build speaking confidence fast.
Perfect. But first, if this episode is helping you, please hit subscribe right now, turn on notifications, like this video, and share it with one friend who also understands English but gets nervous speaking. Your share can help someone speak fearlessly.
Let's start with the airport check-in counter. Sam, imagine you're standing there. What is the first polite thing to say?
Okay, Jany, slowly and clearly. You say, hello. I'd like to check in for my flight to Delhi. Repeat after me. Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight to Delhi. Pause. Again, I'd like to check in. This is polite and natural. I'd like to equals polite way to say I want to.
Very good, Sam. Now the staff will probably say, "Good morning. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?" You reply, "Yes, here you go," or "Sure, here it is." Repeat, "Here you go." Pause, "Here you go." Easy, right? No confusion?
If you have luggage, I have one checked bag and one carry-on. Carry-on means the small bag you take inside the plane. Repeat, one checked bag and one carry-on.
Now, security and gate. If you're lost, "Excuse me, where is the security check?" Or, "Is this the line for security?" Repeat slowly. "Excuse me, where is the security check?"
At the gate, excuse me, is this gate 14 for flight to Mumbai? Or, which gate is my flight to Goa? Repeat, which gate is my flight to Goa?
Now, inside the flight crew conversation, the attendant asks, "Would you like something to drink?" You answer, "Yes, water please." Or more polite, "Could I have a coffee, please?" Repeat 3 times. "Could I have a coffee, please?"
For food, is there a meal on this flight? Or, I'd like the vegetarian option, please. If you have special request, could I have no spicy food, please? Repeat, no spicy food, please.
If you need something, "Could you bring me a blanket?" Or, "Could I have another water?" Repeat, "Could you bring me a blanket?"
Now, hotel check-in, very important. You say, hello, I have a reservation under my name, Sam. Or, good evening, I'd like to check in, please. Repeat, I'd like to check in, please.
Staff may ask, "Do you have a reservation?" You, "Yes, under Jany." Then, "Could I have a room with a view?" Or, "Is breakfast included?" Repeat slowly, "Is breakfast included?"
Common requests. The Wi-Fi is not working. Can you help? Or, could you send extra towels to my room, please? Repeat, extra towels to my room, please.
Ordering food in hotel restaurant. "Can I see the menu, please?" What do you recommend? "I'd like the chicken curry, but less spicy." Repeat, "Less spicy, please?"
Paying. Could we have the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Repeat, could we have the bill, please?
Now, taxi or Uber. "Hello, to the hotel, please. How much is the fare to the airport?" Keep the change if you give tip. Repeat, "To the hotel, please?"
Asking directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the beach? Go straight, then turn left. Repeat, how do I get to the beach?
Now, the most important part for confidence, the shadowing technique. Sam, explain slowly.
Shadowing is the fastest way to stop feeling nervous and confused when speaking. How it works. 1. Find a short English audio. YouTube clip, podcast, movie scene, 5 to 10 seconds. Listen once. Then play again and speak exactly at the same time as the speaker. Copy pronunciation, speed, tone, everything, like a shadow following the person. Do not pause. Speak together. Repeat the same clip 5 to 10 times. Do this 10 to 15 minutes daily. Your mouth gets used to moving fast. Brain stops overthinking. Confidence comes automatically.
Example, take this phrase, could I have a coffee please? Play any native speaker say it, shadow it immediately. Repeat 5 times. Do this with all travel phrases in this episode. Listeners, pause the video now and shadow with us. Could I have a coffee please? Repeat 3 times slowly.
Shadowing removes the what should I say confusion because your brain and mouth practice real speed and rhythm. No more freezing. You will speak naturally.
Now, funny travel stories to relax. Sam, any mistake story?
Oh, Jany. Once at hotel, I said, can I have a room with a view? But they gave me a room facing the wall. I said, this is not a view. We all laughed.
Mine asked for extra pillow, but they sent a whole extra bed. Mistakes are normal. They make the best memories and help you learn.
Yes, listeners, share your funny travel English moments or mistakes in the comments.
Key phrases recap. Repeat with us slowly. Airport. I'd like to check in. Flight. Could I have water, please? Hotel. I have a reservation. Food. Less spicy, please. Taxi. To the airport, please.
Challenge for today. Choose 5 travel phrases from this episode, shadow them 10 times each, then record yourself saying a short travel conversation, like check in and order food, and comment the link or describe it. We will cheer you and give you feedback.
You understand English so well. Now it's time to speak without fear. Practice daily with shadowing. You will see huge confidence in 1 to 2 weeks.
If this episode helped you feel less nervous, subscribe, like, share, and turn on notifications.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep traveling. Your voice matters.
Bye, everyone. Safe journeys and confident conversations.
Bye, Sam.
Bye, Jany.